What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see, guys, here we continue killing AUD CHF and we continue killing GBP AUD, guys. All these pairs, guys, was taken, guys, with my team, you know what I'm saying, in a VIP group, you know what I'm saying. So right now, guys, what I'm about to do, you know how we do in the building, you know what I'm saying. So since I'm already in a deep profit, guys, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to protect my profit from from AUD CHF and GBP AUD, since you know, it's no longer, you know, it's already, I don't want to take the profit right now, but I'm going to protect my profit as well, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to try to lock some half of my profit, you know what I'm saying. This is how I do, and this is how you need to do it in order for you to keep yourself saved from, to get away from these losses and stuff, you know what I'm saying. So what I'm gonna do, if you don't know how to lock the profit, let me first show you guys, for this who was not there at the time I was explaining this trade, how I took this trade, you know what I'm saying. For this who was not there, let me show you guys the reason why I took this trade. And if you see the reason that made me take the trade, you can also use it as an opportunity for you to take the trades by your own. So as you can see here, guys, the market has been at this point here, you know what I'm saying. Let me show you. As you can see here, guys, the market has been at this point here. It's been at this point here. We got first touch here on the zone, on the trend line, and we got another one here. And then after that, after you got these two like this one and the pullback, you can then join the trend line to these two, and then after that you're gonna be waiting for the market to come back at the trend line. Let me show you. Wait, you're gonna be waiting for the market to come back at the trend line for the 30 time, you know what I say. After the 30 time, you can see here, this is where I entered the market here, you know what I'm saying. No cap. Let me show you nicely what I'm saying. So this is where I entered the market here. This is where I entered the market. You can see I got my 30 touch on the trend line, and then I was like, yo, you know what? The market is about to go higher and higher. You know what I'm saying? I give the signal to my team. At this point, everyone right now is stupid, guys. It's already in a deep profit. So don't miss this out. Don't take these losses, you know what I'm saying. If you are not a professional trader, instead of, you know, taking risk, you better join our team, and then we're going to be trading the same market. You're going to be trading as I trade, you know what I'm saying. If I take a loss, we take a loss together, but we do this for a living, right? You know what I'm saying. We do this for a living. We're winning. Once lost one, you know, when you lost it once, you know, you can never win for life. There is these losses, but yeah, bro, the wins is always right there. We always win for sure. I'm not gonna lie to you. So if you have no idea of how to protect the profit, for this who doesn't know, I'm not talking about to this who knows. To this who knows, they also learn. They learn it because they didn't know. We do things for the people who doesn't know it, right? So I'm doing this for the people who doesn't know it. So if you don't know how to lock your profit, this is how you're going to do it. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, it's going crazy, boy. It's going crazy, man. What's going on? Yeah, man, it's going crazy. All right, so here we go. So we're gonna put the stop loss. Let me show you guys. You can see here, I did protect my profit at this point here, but now you see all this profit from here to this point here is not protected, right? So I want to make sure I protect all this profit, because guys, is, you know, with daily trader, so you know, it's not, it doesn't mean like I'm a daily trader, like I have to take the profit every day. No, but what I do, what I got for the day, I always make sure I lock it, you know what I say. But as soon as the market is gonna continue on moving, I also gonna continue moving my stop loss, you know what I'm saying. But honestly, we're trading every single day. We find the opportunities every day, but when there's no opportunities, we chill. But if there's opportunity in the market, we grab it, we take it. You know what I'm saying? So this is how we do it. Take this number here to shift the stop loss. Take this number here. As you can see, I'm going to shift the stop loss at this point here. All right, I'm going to use this number as 0.57096. I'm just going to use 7096, the last four numbers. 7096. All right, let's go. 7096. 7096. 7096, and then after that, click modify. Boom. You can see, guys, we're in. And I say, here is the stop loss, as you can see. Look at this. Look at this. Here is the stop loss, as you can see here. All right. So I haven't shown you how I took, because I'm just gonna shift my stop loss after I'm done the video. And I say, so let me just show you guys how I got this GBP AUD. I want to show you guys the reason why I took this GBP AUD. Let's get it in here. All right. So this is very easy. All right, to understand. You know, I say the reason why, guys, I took this one is because, let me show you. First of all, guys, I had my trend line right here. You feel what I'm saying? I had my trend line here, and then I took this as breakout. You know what I'm saying? I took this trade as a breakout. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, guys, the market has been moving on the trend line. High, 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 low. High, 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 low. You know what I'm saying? And after the high, low, guys, the market just decided to break the trend line. And then after the market break the trend line, you can see that I put it in my stop loss here. You know what I'm saying? At the previous lower high. You know what I'm saying? This is how you have to do it. So as soon as the market break the trend line, you can either wait for the pullback, or you can take a risk and enter with a breakout. This, it does work many times. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes, bro, you're gonna wait for the pullback, but the market doesn't come back. So it's two things. You know what I'm saying? Either take a risk or either wait for the pullback. But what I know is that the market still gonna give the pullback around this area here. Around this area here, the market still gonna come back over here to the trend line again as a pullback. So this is the reason why I took this trade, and I'm expecting to kill with my team 100 pips all the way to this point here. 100 pips. And we're going to make it, because the market doesn't stop. The market keeps moving, right? So we're going to make 100 pips from this trade right here. You know what I'm saying? So these are the reasons why I took this trade, guys. And it's very clear, guys. Even if you really don't know how to trade, but somebody already told you, like, yo, you know what? All you need is just trend line, bro. It's just trend line. You can see here, we got first touch. You look. We got this first touch right here. Second touch right here, you know what I'm saying? And we got 30 touch right here. Then what you need is just to join the trend line, bro. Easy like that. Join the trend line. You can see. All right, now I can see that the market already break the trend line. What I have to do right now is to enter the market as breakout. You know what I'm saying? So guys, I do this. I show you guys all the secrets, all my secrets that I'm using to win in the market just for free, because I want you guys to become profitable, same as me. You know what I'm saying? Because it was not easy, guys, to catch this knowledge. It was not easy at all, but I'm trying, guys, my best to give you just in a shortcut way for everybody to understand about the market. So make sure you join the free Telegram group so that you can be able to join our VIP group, so that you can be able to be making money same as I do, so that we can be able to be trading together. Make sure to do the right things. Peace out, guys. Let's get out, guys. But make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you like this video. Let's go, baby.